Good morning, guys. So yes, this is an impromptu vlog. Basically it involves a lot of pinching and a lot of kebabs. So stay tuned. So guys, here we have the kebab. It's a chard kebab. Not for me. Yeah, I'm sure it'd be tasty, but it's for the slugs and snails. I know slugs and snails go bonkers for chard, and I'm not a fan of slug pellets. It's disgusting. I'm sure you guys use them and they just end up dying, and it's just like a horrible caked mess of slime and blue bits. It's just nasty. So the horse Winnie. So I've got marigolds here, which they love. I've got runner beans, which they love, and mornge too. So I don't want to have to kind of come back and have to deal with them, because I know it's been dry enough for them to, well, it's too dry, too hot for them, and they're hiding away. But I know it's going to be raining today, because look, cloudy skies. So hence why we make the kebabs. So we're going to make some kebabs now and fork them in. Here you can see it's a prime example of a snail and slug can do. I love it. Also see they managed to fill one of the bags with some Cheerios, so we'll see who likes them. Hello again. So basically snails like eating cardboard too. So I might use these cardboard. I could keep using these, but I can't just stick it on a rip anytime soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them up with some chard and some marigolds and some cosmos bits and spear them down and see what we find. So where are we now?
In the greenhouse.
Yes, we are. So basically it's going to rain today. It's going to rain for a couple of days. It's going to be crazy windy, guys, so prepare yourselves. So yeah, I kind of got some bottles for recycling, and yeah, because the greenhouse doesn't get any water. A little tip, you just get like a needle, you heat it up, then prick the heads of it, prick the heads of the water. Obviously do the top where the screw goes, because if you prick the bottom of the pot, there you go. If you prick the bottom of the bottle, then you won't be able to carry it around, and it's easy. So prick the tops. If you look here, you can see a tiny little hole at the top, and what happens is it just trickles out. This guy is spewing out more than it would. Once it kind of balance itself out, it should just start dripping like the rest of them, like this guy's dripping. And yeah, so there's an easy tip. I'm sure you guys know this tip. It's been around for yonks. So I just thought I'd add that. So that's how I'm keeping the greenhouse moist. So I also mentioned pinching. And pinching is basically where you're going to rip off the lead shoot of, say, a cosmos or a marigold and other types of flowers. You can even do it to your tomatoes too, so they bush up. And what you do, you essentially just pop this bit off here just before the third node. Well, use your discretion. You don't want to take it right down to here, but it's got to be above a node, if that makes sense. So I think this would be ideal because it's thick enough. I could go lower down out to here, but I thought this would be ideal. So I wouldn't say necessarily, some people pinch it, but it takes a lot longer for the plant, give or take, I don't know how many days. But my old boss who I used to work with, he went to Kew Gardens, and he told me that if you cut a plant, it will heal a lot faster than you rip a plant, and to me that makes sense. And he went to Kew, so I believe him. So basically just get your secateurs or your scissors or snips and snip off the top. Even though it's going to flower soon, I know a lot of them are flowering, this is perfect, so then my marigolds will thicken up and become a more bushier plant and have more flowers. So that's what I mean about pinching, or for me, more snipping. I can also add this top bit, or the marigold snippings, to the kebabs as well. Like I said, snails and slug love this, so it'll draw them to it. It smells funky. So guys, every single bathtub has a chard kebab, chard marigold and cosmos kebab. and I've set up most of my defences down here. So I know I've got runner beans, and I've got a baby butternut squash down there. I know they like them. And this bed is inundated with marigolds, so I've got like what, 3 stakes in there. So yeah, and I've shoved in between bits of wood, I've shoved cuttings of marigolds, and just to see if that makes a, basically guys, this is an experiment. So come around here. So basically it's an experiment to see if this actually works, because I know there's loads of slugs around here, and I don't really want to use any chemicals or anything like that. I'll keep it strictly organic. I could use nematodes, I've never tried them yet, but I've got chard. This is what I've got now, and I know it's going to rain tomorrow, so I can't just pop out and get nematodes, so leave that please, Cedar. So that's why I'm giving it a go, so we shall see what happens. So guys, kebabs all set, snipped all the marigolds and the cosmos. So basically the moral of the story today is that if you basically grow stuff, I'm not sure you like to grow stuff for yourself, why not try and grow stuff for the considered pests in your garden? Because for example, like you saw the chard there, I've got more chard than my family could ever eat. So yeah, just cut the chard off, spray it onto some bamboo, and then leave it in the garden and see what takes, basically, so they don't eat your crops. So yeah, anyways, have a good day guys, well, have a good eve, and I'll see you soon. And come back, because it's going to be raining for a couple of days, so we'll have a look and see what we find.